Hello, we are at 999 Bush Street and this is apartment 503. We are on the 5th floor here out of 6, and this is a large 1-bedroom unit. Okay, right when you come in the front door, got your upgraded bathroom here on the left, rain shower, shower head, exhaust fan, black and white tile floor. Okay, mirrored vanity. That opens up, there's some storage in there. Cabinet under the sink. And we got glass shower doors here. Okay. Coming into the living room, we are facing west here, looking out onto Jones Street. The building's the corner building on Bush at Jones. And we're in the lower Nob Hill neighborhood of San Francisco. Okay, this unit has electric wall-mounted heat. There's one here in the living room. You'll see another heater in the bedroom. Nice tall ceilings in this unit. Okay, updated kitchen. Have a fridge, dishwasher, gas stove. Again, matching black and white tile floor to what was in the bathroom. Under cabinet lighting. And marble countertops. Also have a cell phone charging station there. Okay, here we are coming into the bedroom. Large bedroom, you can do king size bed in here, no problem. These French doors can be open or closed as you prefer between the living room. There is another way in and out of the bedroom, which would be here through one of the closets. You could treat this like a coat closet. And if you wanted your French doors closed, you could come in and out of the bedroom this way. There is the breaker box for the unit, incidentally. Got some shelves in here. All right. Back to the bedroom, we also have a triple closet here. Shelving above, and this goes all the way through. So nice big closet. There's the electric wall-mounted heater for this room. And again, these windows are facing west, just like the living room. All right, this building does have an elevator, and it does have a public laundromat that our tenants have private access to through our basement. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to showing you the unit.